Good. Hello everyone, my name is HARSHINI, first year ISC department, and startup company is EIN, and the product present name is Knife, and product proposal name is Bionet. Empathizing, mentioning some of requirements and telling about the product as said by the customer during the empathizing activity, automatic knife, and time management. And define. Based on the empathizing stage and considering the feelings and requirements of customer, many new features and added to the exiting product. Exiting product name is knife and futuristic product name is bayonet. Ideate. Some of the additional features to be added or method here. Literation, interpretation, psychological interpretation. Prototype. The prototype stage, the real working model has to the manufacture due to the time constraint. The monitor the monitor advised to draw the sketch. The sketch is given below. I request the review of the presentation video to comment your opinion to satisfy the testing stage. Thank you.